Now, today we will study about the some MCQs based on zoology subjects. So, our MCQs are as number 1. As food passes along the alimentary canal, proteins are digested in the dash dash. The options are number A, mouth, stomach and duodenum. Number B, stomach, duodenum and ileum. Number C, stomach, pancreas and cecum. And number D, duodenum, ileum and liver. So the correct answer is number B, that means stomach, duodenum and ileum. So digestion of protein takes place in these three organs. In the stomach, the digestive enzyme is secreted, which helpful to conversion of protein into peptones and proteases. Then the food enters into the duodenum and ileum, where the digestion of complete digestion of protein takes place and conversion of the protein into amino acid occurs in these two regions. So when the food passes in the alimentary canal, then digestion of protein occurs in the option B, that means stomach, duodenum and ileum. The next question is the acidic liquid in the stomach contains. The options are number A, bile and pepsinogen, number B, lipase and trypsin, number C, maltase and pepsin, and number D, pepsin and mucus. So the correct answer is number D, pepsin and mucus. That means the acidic liquid in the stomach contains pepsin and mucus. In the stomach gland is there. In the stomach gland, cells are present, which is helpful for the secretion of pepsin and mucus. Ipute cells and argentaphin cells are present in the wall of the stomach gland, which is responsible for the secretion of these two substances, pepsin and mucus. The pepsin is helpful for the digestion of the protein, and the mucus is helpful for the liquefaction of the food, and becomes smoothness of the food takes place by the help of this mucus substance. So these two types of substance are released from the gastric gland present in the wall of the stomach and helpful for the digestion of the protein. So the for second, the correct option is number D. Number third question is, which one of the following is an enzyme secreted by the pancreas? So option is number A, insulin, number B, lipase, number C, maltase, and number D, pepsin. So the correct option is lipase. The lipase is the enzyme which is secreted by the pancreas, helpful for the digestion of the lipid into the duodenal region. From the pancreas, pancreatic duct arises, enters into the duodenal region, helpful to carry the enzyme lipase into the duodenum, and conversion of the lipid into its byproducts, that means fatty acid and glycerol, takes place by the help of these lipase enzymes. Hence the fatty digestion requires more time because its digestion occurs in the duodenal region. So correct option is lipase. Next question is, the pancreas produce trypsinogen. This is converted into an active enzyme when it reach the option number A, colon, B, ileum, C, duodenum and D, stomach. So correct option is duodenum. The pancreas, instead of lipase, trypsinogen is also secreted trypsinogen is then converted into trypsin, helpful for the digestion of the fats into fatty acids and glycerol into the duodenal region. So the correct answer of fourth question is nothing but the duodenum. Next question is, in which one of the following structures is most water absorbed from the contents of the mammalian gut? The options are number A cecum, number B colon, number C ileum, and number D rectum. That means these four organs are uh, among them colon, ileum, and rectum are the last part of the alimentary canal where the formation of the feces takes place. So the food which enters into the duodenum is present in semi-liquid form, whose large amount of water absorbed from the colon region, and the feces is solidified in the colon region due to absorption of large content of water. So that's why the colon is responsible for absorption of the water content from the undigested food material, and the correct answer of the B question is nothing but the of the five question number 5 is nothing but the B. The next question is, in a mammal, the section that emulsified fats in the duodenum is made in the dash dash. Options are number A bile duct, B gallbladder, C liver, and D pancreas. So correct answer is liver. So in the liver, the substance are secreted and which is responsible for emulsification of fats in the duodenum. The emulsification of fat is nothing but the fat is present in solid form. Its conversion into liquid droplets is called emulsification. So this phenomenon is occurred by the help of liver, in which the bile juice is secreted, by the help of which emulsification of the fat takes place in the duodenal region. The next question is, which component of feces is an excretory product? The options are number A bacteria, B bile pigment, C cellulose, and D mucus. So the correct answer is bile pigments. The bile pigments are secreted from the liver and they are excess in amount, then they are eliminated by the feces as a excretory product. So correct answer is bile pigment. The next question is, in which of the following organs are fats digested? Option number A colon, B liver, C pancreas, and D small intestine. So correct answer is small intestine. In the small intestine, digestion of fat is completed. So correct option is number D. Next question, if the pancreatic duct of a mammal became blocked, which one of the following symptoms would the animal show? Option A increased bile in the blood, number B increased blood sugar level, number C decreased blood insulin level, and number D decreased protein digestion. So the question is, if pancreatic duct of mammal becomes blocked, then what happens? The happening is decreased protein digestion, because from the pancreas, as you know that the the enzyme is secreted which is helpful for the digestion of the protein, and this protein digestion occur mostly in the stomach. So if the pancreatic duct becomes blocked, then no digestive enzymes helpful for the digestion of protein is reaches into the duodenal region, and no digestion of protein or less digestion of protein takes place in the animal. So the correct answer of question number 9 is number D. The next question is, what is the final product when proteins are digested? The options are number A amino acid, number B fatty acid, number C glucose, and number D glycerol. So when protein is digested, the end product of the protein is nothing but the amino acid. So correct answer is number A option, that means amino acid. So when protein is digested, its final product is nothing but the amino acid. So these are the correct answers given. Now this is the now I concluded my slide. Thank you very much.